In this video, we will look at some of the best electric weed whacker on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1, Greenworks Corded String Trimmer. When it comes to maintaining a well-groomed yard, having a reliable and easy-to-use trimmer is essential. The Greenworks Corded String Trimmer offers a convenient solution for your trimming needs. Equipped with a robust 10A motor, the Greenworks Corded String Trimmer provides ample power to handle various trimming tasks. The straight shaft design ensures efficient operation, while the .080 dual line bump feed system allows for quick and easy line advancement. This feature eliminates the need to manually adjust the line, saving you time and effort during your yard maintenance. Lightweight and electric start with cord lock feature. Weighing in at a lightweight, the Greenworks Corded String Trimmer is easy to maneuver and operate. The electric start feature ensures a hassle-free startup every time, eliminating the need for pull cords or complicated starting procedures. The cord lock feature keeps the power cord securely in place, preventing accidental disconnections and interruptions during use. Large 18-inch cutting path. With its large 18-inch cutting path, this trimmer helps speed up the trimming process. The wider cutting path allows you to cover more ground with each pass, reducing the overall time and effort required to trim your yard. This feature is particularly useful for those with larger yards or areas that demand extensive trimming. Comfortable grip and handle design. The Greenworks Corded String Trimmer prioritizes operator comfort with its cushioned and overmold grip and handle. This ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and secure grip, minimizing hand fatigue during extended trimming sessions. The trimmer also includes an auxiliary handle, providing additional control and maneuverability while trimming hard-to-reach areas. Number 2, Husqvarna Detachable Gas String Trimmer. When it comes to maintaining a well-groomed yard, having the right tools is essential. The Husqvarna Detachable Gas String Trimmer is a powerful and versatile option that can make your trimming tasks easier and more efficient. Powerful 28cc 2-cycle engine. The Husqvarna Detachable Gas String Trimmer is equipped with a robust 28cc 2-cycle engine, providing ample power to handle even the toughest weeds and grass. This engine ensures that you can tackle large areas of your yard without any issues, making your trimming tasks faster and more efficient. 17-inch cutting width. With a cutting width of 17 inches, this trimmer allows you to cover a wide area with each pass. This means fewer passes are required to complete your trimming, saving you time and effort. The wider cutting width is particularly beneficial for those with larger yards or areas that require extensive maintenance. Curved shaft design for comfort. One standout feature of the Husqvarna Detachable Gas String Trimmer is its curved shaft design. Number 3, Works Cordless String Trimmer. The Works Cordless String Trimmer and Edger is a versatile and innovative tool that offers both trimming and edging capabilities. With its user-friendly features and compatibility with Works PowerShare batteries, this cordless trimmer provides convenience and efficiency for your yard maintenance needs. 2-in-1 trimmer and edger. One of the key features of the Works Cordless String Trimmer and Edger is its ability to easily convert from a string trimmer to a wheel edger in seconds. This versatility allows you to switch between trimming and edging tasks without the need for multiple tools. Whether you need to tidy up the edges of your lawn or trim areas around obstacles, this trimmer has you covered. Instant line feed with command feed spool system. With the innovative push-button command feed spool system, the Works Cordless String Trimmer and Edger ensures instant line feeding. This feature eliminates the frustration of manual line adjustments and ensures a continuous cutting experience. Additionally, the trimmer comes with free spools for life, providing you with a steady supply of replacement spools to keep you going. Battery compatibility and included batteries. The Works PowerShare feature sets this trimmer apart as it is compatible with all Works 20 volts and 40 volts tools, outdoor power equipment, and lifestyle products. This means you can use the same battery across multiple Works tools, providing convenience and cost savings. The Works cordless string trimmer and edger comes with two powerful and lightweight 20 volts Power Share Max lithium batteries, which can be used with other tools in the Works Power Share family. Head tilt and rubberized wheels to accommodate sloped terrain and hard-to-reach areas. The head of this trimmer tilts 90 degrees. This feature allows you to trim and edge with ease, ensuring a neat and tidy yard. Number for Echo SRM2-5. When it comes to finding a high-performance string trimmer that can withstand demanding yard work, the Echo SRM2-5 stands out as a top choice. With its powerful engine and innovative features, this trimmer delivers professional-grade performance. Powerful and efficient engine, the Echo SRM2-5 is equipped with a robust engine that provides exceptional power for efficient trimming. This ensures that even the toughest weeds and grass can be easily cut through, saving you time and effort. With its easy starting system, the trimmer quickly revs up and is ready to go when you need it. 2-speed selector for versatility. To adapt to different working situations, the Echo SRM2-5 features a digital 2-speed selector. This allows you to choose between low and high speeds, depending on the task at hand. The low speed is ideal for delicate trimming around flower beds or obstacles, while the high speed is perfect for tackling thick and overgrown areas with ease. Power load technology for easy line replacement. One standout feature of the Echo SRM2-5 is its power load technology, which simplifies the process of replacing the trimmer line. With this innovative system, you can easily feed the line into the head and press a button. Number 5. Skill Procore 40 Brushless. The Skill Procore 40 Brushless Cordless String Trimmer is a reliable and efficient tool for tackling your yard maintenance needs. With its powerful performance, long runtime, and innovative features, this trimmer offers convenience and versatility. Complete kit with battery and charger, the Skill Procore 40 Brushless String Trimmer Kit includes a Procore 40 2.5 all-lithium battery and an auto PWR jump charger. With this complete kit, you have everything you need to power up your trimmer and get to work. The included lithium battery ensures long-lasting performance, while the auto PWR jump charger charges the battery quickly and efficiently. Powerful brushless motor. Equipped with a digital brushless motor, the Skill PWR CORE40 delivers efficient and high-performance power.
Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.